races out. We have American Ingo. Fast to begin, moving up on the outside, Twin Turbo. And on the outside comes Pandemonium. Michaela's Music is racing in third, American Ingo. While Sabor, the Champagne, is the early trailer. As they lead the straight, Pandemonium by about 3 lengths. Twin Turbo in second. Alongside comes Michaela's Music. 7 lengths away in fourth comes American Ingo, and Sabor the Champagne is still running in last. As they swing down the back, Pandemonium by on a length and a half. Twin Turbo in second. Moving up on the outside is Michaela's Music. 8 lengths still in fourth comes American Ingo, and Sabor the Champagne. Pandemonium this time by on ahead. And on the outside now coming closer is Twin Turbo. And in third still is Michaela's Music, and a long way back to American Ingo and Sabor the Champagne. We have Twin Turbo now takes the lead by on a length. Coming closer on the outside now is Michaela's Music. Pandemonium drives back in third, then followed by American Ingo and Sabor the Champagne. As they come down at the last 200, Twin Turbo this time by about 4 lengths. Michaela's Music still in second, and in third Pandemonium. Last 75 meters, it's all Twin Turbo. And finally, it's Twin Turbo. Second, Michaela's Music.
Layo ng pagkakapanalo ni Twin Turbo para sa ating ika-4 na karera. Doing 18.5, 25, another 25, finishing at 27.5, total time 1 minute 36 seconds flat para kay Twin Turbo. That's Jackie J.V. Cordero.